So now moving further with the question. So we got our first question here is, for what sum of money will yield rupees this much as simple interest? So simple interest is given as rupees 170.10. Okay, 170.10 as simple interest. Time is given 2 years 3 months. Rate is given 6%. Time is 2 years and 3 months. We always need the time in years. Okay, so 2 year is 24 month plus 3 month, that is 27 month. We need time in years. So this 27 month can be written as 27 upon 12 year. Dividing it by 3, we will get 9 upon 4 years. Our time is 9 upon 4 years. Simple interest is 170.10 and rate was given as 6%. Okay, so what we need now? We need to calculate the question said what sum of money? What sum of money will yield interest? Look, principal is also called sum in some questions. Okay, if you are said what sum of money means what principal. Okay, principal is also called sum sometimes. So we have to find principal. Principal is unknown. So we have to find principal. So formula for principal, as we wrote in the last page, was SI into 100 upon rate into time. So SI here is 170.10 into 100 upon rate is 6%, and time came out to be 9 by 4. So 9 upon 4. Okay, so P equals to this. So P equals to this 4 and 3. This is 2. Look, so it came out to be 171 point into 100. So decimal will be moved 2 places. We will get 17010. Multiplying these, decimal will be moved 2 places in the right direction. Okay, so we are left with upon 3 into 9, 27 upon 2. This upon 2 will come. So principal equals to 17010, that is divided by 27 by 2. So 17010 multiplied by 2 upon 27. Okay, what we will do, we will divide it by 27. We will just divide it. 27 divided by 17010. Okay, we will do it by 5 6 7 6 is 42, and 42 and 120, it will be 162 minus 8 and 1s are 3s are 81 minus 0, then 0 zeros are 0. It came out to be 630. Okay, 630 into 2 is 1260 rupees. This is our principal. So what sum of money is to be invested? This is our answer. Okay, so our next question here is, find the sum of money. Sum of money means again principal when final amount is, we are given, question is amount equals to 11300 rupees, 11300, and at say 4% per annum, rate is 4% per annum and time is 3 year 3 months. 3 year 3 months. Okay, so 3 year 3 months. So we have need time in years. So 3 years can be written as 36 month and 3 month. That is 36 plus 3, 39 month. Converting into year, 39 upon 12, that is dividing it by 3, 13 by 4 year. Okay, time is this, and we have to find principal. Okay, so we are given amount and we have to find principal. So what was the formula for amount? Amount formula was P into 1 plus RT upon 100. Yeah, look, P into bracket में 1 plus RT upon 100. So amount is 11300 plus equals to P is unknown, 1 plus R here is 4%, time is 13 upon 4 upon 100. This 4 is reduced by this, we are left with 13 upon 100. So 11300 equals to P into, taking 100 as LCM, 100 plus only 13 was left, this was 1 so we are left with 11300 equals to P into 113 upon 100. So we need P. This 100 is in divide, will go in multiply. 11300 into 100 upon 113. 100, P equals to 100 into 100, that is 10,000 rupees. This was our principal or sum, rupees 10,000. Okay, our next question here is, how long will it take a certain sum of money to triple itself at 13 whole 1 by 3%? Means the question here was that there is a certain principal, say P, and it has said P rupees. Okay, it says that money triple itself. For how long will it take? Means this time is unknown. Okay, the first thing we got to know is time is unknown, and a certain sum of money triple itself means when I took 1000 rupees from you, and in certain time I will return you 3000, means the money has tripled itself, means of which you gave me 1000 and I return you 3000, means the 2000 extra I gave it, that was the interest. So the question says, at what sum of money will triple itself, that is the amount that I will be returning back will be 3 times the amount I borrowed. Okay, and the rate percent is 13 whole 1 by 3%. 13 plus into 3 is 39, means 40 upon 3%. This is the rate percent. So we have to find? We have to find time. Principal is P, amount is 3P. We are not given the values, it is just a round figure. Okay, we have to find the time. How long will it take to triple itself at 40 by 3%? Okay, we have to find time. Okay, so we will proceed with that formula itself. You can do it in one way, in two ways. Like our first way will be like implementing that formula 3p, like that amount equals to principal into 1 plus r into t upon 100. Okay, here amount is 3 times p, principal is p, and 1 plus rate is 40 upon 3, time is not known, upon 100. Okay, so 3p equals to p. If we solve this 3 will come in denominator 1. If we multiply p here, p is outside, we can write here p into 1 and p into this, plus p into 40 t upon 300, right? This 3 will come with 100. Okay, so it will become 300. So if we see here, up this p is in addition here, this p will go here in subtraction. 3p minus p equals to p into 40 t upon 100. It will come out 2p equals to p into 40 t upon 100. What we have to find? We have to find t. Even p is unknown, but we have to concentrate for p, for t. So we'll keep t here. T is equals to, we will not move t. This 100 is in divide, will go in multiply. 2p into 100. This p will come in, is multiply, will come in divide. This 40 is in multiply, will come in divide. Okay, so this p and this p will be reduced. This is 40. This p and p will be reduced, and p is cutted off. This 0 is this. 4 2s are 5s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So t is 5 years. This is our answer. Okay, means in 5 years, if we invest a small amount, if we invest some money for 13 whole 1 by 3%, this principal, this small amount will triple itself. Like when the person will return us, he will return the triple of that money. Okay, so we have one more question here. What sum of money invested at 7 whole 1 by 5% per annum simple interest for 2 years produce twice as much interest as rupees 9600 in 3 years 6 months at 10% per annum? Look, we are given two things. It says that there were two principles. For one principal, the simple interest is calculated as 7.5% for 2 years, and for second principal, that is 9600, the simple interest is calculated at 10% for 3 years and 6 months. It says that simple interest for this 9600 for 3 years 6 months, the simple interest is twice this simple interest, and this simple interest is twice the simple interest of this. The simple interest produced in 2 years twice as much interest of this. Means the interest that will be coming in this is when we double this, we will get simple interest of this. Means there were two things, like first system and second system. In this, principal is unknown. Here rate is 7.5%. Okay, P1 R1, better way, and T1 is 2 years. Here principal is P2 9600 rupees. Here rate is 10%, and here time is 3 years 6 months. 3 years means 36 months plus 6 months means 42 month upon 12. This will change into year. We will calculate total months, that is 42. 3 years 36 plus 6, 42 months upon 12. This will change into year. So this will reduce by 6. We will get 7 upon 2 years. Okay. The question says that simple interest of this and simple interest of this. The question said that simple interest yielded on the first system is double that of simple interest yielded in this system. So SI1 is double the SI of 2. The question said this: SI1 is double the SI of second part. Look, question said produces twice as much interest as this, means the first system interest is equals to twice the interest of second. So this simple interest of 1 is P1 into R1 into T1 upon 100 equals to 2 into P2 into R2 into T2 upon 100. So here P1 was unknown into R1 was 7.5%, time was 2 years upon 100. Always remember, rate is kept in per annum and time in years. 2 into, in brackets, P2 is 9600 into rate here is 10%, time here is 7 upon 2. Okay, so this is reduced by this 2 and this 5. So we are left with P1 into 7.5 into 2 upon 100 equals to 2 into 96. Don't multiply them, keep it the way they are, into 5 into 7. Look, now we have to find this P1. P1 equals to this 100 is in divide, will go in multiply. This 100 went in multiply. This 7.5 is in multiply, will come in divide with 2. So this 2 and 2 will divide. Removing this decimal, we will get a 0 extra here. So 75. 5 ones are, and here we got 15. Okay. So now dividing it by 3, we will get 5. Dividing it by 3, we will get cutting it by 3, we will get 5. Here 32. Cutting it by 5, we will get 200. So principal 1 is equals to 32 into 7 into 200. So 32 into 7 is 224. 224 into 200 is this. So our principal on first is 44800. When we calculate interest on this interest will be double the interest of calculated on this. Clear?